someone out there is getting richer as the government gets poorer, as they borrow more money. And of course, when they get richer, they look at asset allocation and they say, I only want so much in treasuries, I only want so much in equities, I only want so much in gold, I only want so much in this asset, I only want so much in heirlooms and so on, so much in property. So they're asset allocating. So as the government goes deeper into debt, it means due to the asset allocation policies of billions of people around the planet, the price of assets in general will tend to rise. And obviously, the rarer and more desired the asset is, the further and faster it will rise. But of course, it does have an impact on retail prices as well, because there are components in the retail price index which are consumer price index which are rare. As one example is labor, the cost of labor. You know, the labor you put into, even though if you buy a pizza in your supermarket, it was almost certainly made by robots in a factory, untouched by human hand. But someone probably had to put it on the shelf. Someone had to drive it to the supermarket. So there is a labor component, which does mean that to some extent retail prices will be rising as well. But they're not going to be rising as fast as the inflation of the fiat money. The fiat money is rising. It's around 10% a year at the moment. That number is likely to rise. So I would say the real inflation rate, if you take everything into account, the expansion of the monetary base on the planet, is around 10%.